Here we have an exam question the majority of candidates answered incorrectly. So let's take a look. What is a suitable unit of which to measure productivity at different depths in the ocean? They're asking us what, so we are going to have to give what the best answer is going to be. They have emphasized that we are looking for the most suitable unit out of our 4 options here. So we'll talk through them and identify which is the best unit for measuring productivity. Now, productivity is measuring a form of rate, so we need a how much element, which is the mass of biomass produced in this case, and we also need the time over which it is occurring, and biomass requires us to know the area or the space in which this is occurring. If you can't remember those 3 aspects, which you should, the question has prompted us by saying the rate at which plants produce biomass is known as productivity, so that's actually them helping there. So let's talk for our unit options. The first one which stands out is D. Now, D is M per kilogram per year, so meter per kilogram per year, which does not make sense in terms of mass of biomass produced, so the amount of a substance produced in a certain amount of time within a particular area, so we can discount that one immediately. Talking through the remaining ones, we can see they all provide us with an amount which can be considered within a rate of time. Looking at those, I'd be leaning towards per year because a longer time gives us a better answer with regards to sampling, so I would consider that more suitable. But if we take a look at the next component, we can see that C finishes with meters squared, which doesn't make any sense for this, so we have to discount option C, which means that our per day is going to be the part of the time unit that we're going to have to accept here. So the best option is going to be between per meter squared or per meters cubed. Now, because we're talking about different depths of the ocean, this is a volume of water, and so we need to have a 3-dimensional area to account for that. We're not sampling the forest floor and everything that we encounter, we are sampling a body of water in order to determine the biomass. So that means the best answer option is kilograms per day per meters cubed. If you're presented with a similar question which asks you to identify a suitable unit, then work through the components and eliminate your answer options until you arrive at the most suitable one, as I have demonstrated here.